Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to show you how to measure the density of an irregular object. So what we need first to measure the density of an irregular object is the formula. So I'm going to show you the formula now. So you can see this is the formula for density. The formula is phi equals m by v. Phi is representing density, m is representing mass, and v is representing volume. So if you divide m by v, we are going to get phi equals to mass per length cube per L cube. So L is length. It can either be grams, meters, or length, depending on the size of the substance of the material you are measuring. So let me demonstrate to you how we are going to measure the density of an irregular object. So we are going to use a lemon as our irregular object because it's not a perfect object. It's not a perfect oval shape, not a definite shape. And we are going to need a measuring cylinder. This one is not a real measuring cylinder, it's just a one for measuring. So we are going to use this measurement written there to represent our centimeters. It's just like sticking a ruler on the side there. We are going to have water inside it. And we also need a scale for measuring the mass of the irregular object. Okay, so now we are going to begin the measurement of the density of the irregular object. So the first step is to put water inside the measuring cylinder, and you have to know the level of the water. You can see that this one is in 15 centimeters. Okay, and then what we are going to do next is to put the irregular object inside. Before that is in 15 centimeter, right? But we have to note that down. So we are going to put our irregular object inside the measuring cylinder. So you can see that the water level has increased to something like 15, 16, 17, 18. So it has increased to 18 centimeter. So we are going to record it. We are going to minus the final water level minus the initial water level, and then we are going to get the volume of the irregular object. So the initial water level is 15, which is the one that we measure before we start, and the final water level is 18. So we are going to subtract it from each other. So the answer is 3 centimeter cube. So the volume now is 3 centimeter cube. So now we are going to find the mass, and then we are going to use the formula. So the mass of the irregular object is 85 grams. So now we are going to solve it using the formula. So after applying the measurement we get to the formula, what we get is 85 grams is the mass of the irregular object, and 3 centimeter cube is the volume. So we divide it, we get 28.33 bar per centimeter cube. So that's how we get the density of an irregular object. And remember that the measuring cylinder that I use it's not a real one. No, it's not a real one. So that's why I got this is just an example that I'm showing. So in real life, if a student want to use it, you have to take the correct measurement. I just take an example for this one to be centimeters. Example for this measurement to be centimeters. So in real life, if a person want to measure it, they will have to use centimeters. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.